How to use Kayak Explore feature. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Kayak Explore feature. To use the Kayak Explore feature, or you just want to go to the Explore feature on the Kayak app. So open up your application, log into your account, and when you go to the home page, at the bottom left corner you could find the Explore button. You just want to simply click on the following options. Now what you could do is just go ahead and explore it by looking for it on the map. You could then enter your preferred departure airport or city into the search field, and your home airport might be auto-filled based on your location as well, and select any time, any duration field. Choose a specific date, a range of month or season, or any time for maximum option as well. You could then specify your desired trip length using the duration slider as well. And the more flexible you are with date and duration, the more option you'll see. And you could also use a filter on the left hand side to narrow down the result. Typical options typically include budget, adjusting the price slider to see if the flight within your ideal spending range. You could also choose between a direct flight up to one stop or any number of stop as well, and then set a maximum length of time you're willing to be in the air. This is how you will be able to use Kayak. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.